Hey guys, Will Owen here with JetBoatPilot.com. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to use the marine mat hole punch tool that you may find included with select marine mat kits from JetBoatPilot. Over the years, since like 2021, after COVID, some of the snap locations and bolt hole locations have become a little inconsistent from boat to boat. Older boats didn't really have that problem. We could simply plot a hole location in the marine mat and everything always lined up perfect. But here lately, for some reason, that is not quite as accurate. So you'll find on kits like this one, on the 252, 250, 255, and a few others, that your twin platform kit may not include, or bow kit, for instance, on an FSH, may not include hole locations for these snaps. And you'll ask, well, how do I get this to work if the snap's going to remain? Because you want your cushions to be able to snap down. So we have created a marine mat hole punch tool that will be included with select kits. I want to show you how to use that tool today. It's really simple. The best way that I have found to use this tool prior to installation is to lay out the pad in exactly the location that you would like for it to be laid. Once you've got it where you would like for it to be laid, kind of understanding that you want it to be in that spot, flip it back over. On the back side of your pad, you're going to notice there is a paper backing. That paper backing we're going to use to mark our location for where those snap holes need to be removed to allow for your snaps, okay? So let me show you how I would do that. In this situation, the pad's already installed, but I want to kind of show you what you can do to index that location. Take your pad, lay it down in place, get it ready. Find yourself some sort of grease if you can. This is a simple marine grease. It's got like a blue color to it. And what I would do is just take that and just dab it on top of the snap location. All right? This is going to be on your pad that you have not installed yet. Once you've done that, get your pad back out, orient it in place like you want it, and then once you have got it in place, just press down and then lift up. And you'll see on the back side of the pad an exact location of where you want to punch your hole, okay? Next thing I would do, get yourself a piece of 2x4, 1x4. Take your location that was pre-drilled or with the grease, and with a 1/8 inch drill bit, or something small, just find the center of that hole, or the center of that location. We're going to just get down into the wood just a little bit. Don't go all the way through. You don't want to punch down through your deck. All right. We're going to wipe off the grease now. On the front side, we see this nice hole. So now we know exactly where to remove. We're going to grab our removal tool. You'll notice on one end, there's a chamfered 45 with a sharpened edge. That's going to be the removal end. The other end has been blunted, so it doesn't hurt your hand, but it doesn't really have a cutting edge. But this 45 kind of silvery, shiny edge, that's going to be your cutting edge. So place your pad over top of your 2x4, whatever. Find as center as possible. I like to kind of look down the barrel to find center. And you can leave a little impression to see if you like it. If you don't, you can adjust a little bit. Once you feel like you got it where you want it, take your tool, pressing in a downward motion, and just rotate. Again, doing this on top of a hard surface such as this wood here. All right. Once we've got it fully cut through, you'll notice that the pad's going to come out. We can set this aside and do our next hole. And the location will be exact for our snap location, and it looks nice and uniform. It's a perfect 3/4 inch circle. So use this tool anytime you want to make a hole in your marine mat, and use this process. It doesn't got to necessarily be marine grease, but just something that you know will easily transfer from the snap head to the back side of that wax paper there. All right, well, we hope this answers questions for you. If you do have questions, just comment in the link below, comment in the video below, and I'll be glad to answer those questions for you. So we appreciate you watching the video today. Hope it was helpful to you. Have a great day.